There's a certain excitement that comes with being among the first to ride a brand new trail. Today, we're setting off about 2 miles south of Killbuck, Ohio, a quiet little town tucked into the valley, and making our way south to Glenmont. This isn't just another stretch of pavement. It's a new connection, linking communities, farmland, and woodlands in a way that invites us to slow down and see this corner of Holmes County in a whole new light. As the path winds out of Killbuck, you'll notice the wide, open fields giving way to shaded stretches of forest. Old rail lines once ran through here, and now the same corridor offers a smooth ride for cyclists, hikers, and anyone looking for a fresh adventure. Along the way, the sights change, from rustic barns and gentle streams to rolling hills that seem to stretch on forever. It's more than a trail. It's a story about small towns, rural beauty, and the simple joy of discovery on two wheels. So saddle up, because this ride from Killbuck to Glenmont is just the beginning of what promises to be a favorite route for years to come.
Kick it off in Killbuck town. Pedals turn, we're rolling out. Open skies and fields so wide. Freedom's waiting on this ride. Hear that gravel sing beneath our wheels. Every mile's a brand new thrill. Ride this trail, come ride with me. Through the hills and the scenery. From Killbuck down to Glenmont's end. Every mile feels like a friend. The road is calling, can't you see? Yeah, ride this trail, come ride with me. Railroad echoes fade away. Now it's sunshine all the way. Barns and rivers, country air. Every turn there's something there. Raise your voice, let's sing it loud. This trail's alive, it draws a crowd. Ride this trail, come ride with me. Through the hills and the scenery. From Killbuck down to Glenmont's end. Every mile feels like a friend. The road is calling, can't you see? Yeah, ride this trail, come ride with me. Climbing higher, hearts on fire. Dreams keep pushing these wheels higher. Feel the rhythm, feel it true. This trail's a song, it's calling you. Ride this trail, come ride with me. Through the hills and the scenery. From Killbuck down to Glenmont's end. Where every ride begins again. The sky's wide open, wild and free. Yeah, ride this trail, come ride with me. Ride this trail, oh, ride with me.
What an amazing first ride on the brand new trail from Killbuck to Glenmont. Smooth pavement, beautiful scenery, and a route that really shows off the best of Holmes County. It doesn't get much better than this. From the wide open farmland to the shaded stretches of forest, every mile had its own story. And honestly, it feels like this trail is going to become a favorite for a lot of people. If you haven't tried it yet, grab your bike, lace up your running shoes, or just come out for a walk. You'll find plenty to enjoy no matter how you like to explore. Trails like this aren't just about the ride. They're about connecting towns, building community, and giving us all a way to slow down and enjoy the beauty that's right in our own backyard. Thanks so much for joining me on this ride. If you had fun tagging along, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more trail adventures, and share this video with a friend who loves the outdoors. Drop a comment below if you've ridden this trail already or if it's on your list. You know I'd love to hear about your adventures too. Until next time, keep pedaling, keep exploring, and I'll see you out on the next trail.
You better like, subscribe, and comment on the video.